Do you want to unlock the full potential of Power BI? Are you ready to transform your data analysis skills and gain an edge in your profession? If yes, then our immersive Power BI training is the key to your future. Our Power BI training goes beyond the basics. It delves deep into the intricacies of data analysis, helping you master the art of insights, reports, and dashboards. With our training, you'll become a proficient data analyst, capable of turning raw data into actionable insights. But what are the benefits of our Power BI training, you may ask? Firstly, you get to understand the power of data visualization. Power BI is an incredible tool that allows you to visualize your data in a way that is easy to understand and compelling. Secondly, our training equips you with the skills to make data-driven decisions. In today's world, data is king. Being able to interpret and understand data is a skill that will set you apart in any field. Lastly, our Power BI training offers you a competitive edge. In a world where data analysis is becoming increasingly important, having Power BI skills can make you an invaluable asset to any organization. Our course kicks off on the 11th of March 2024. And guess what? We have an early bird discount. Register before the 4th of March 2024, and you can save 10% off the investment fee. But that's not all. If you're among the first 10 to sign up, you'll enjoy exclusive benefits that will enhance your learning experience. So why wait? Seize this opportunity and embark on your journey to mastering Power BI. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. And with our Power BI training, you're not just preparing for the future, you're transforming it. This is your chance to unlock your potential and become a master of data analytics. So act now, because the power of BI is just a click away. Remember, with Power BI, you're not just analyzing data, you're creating a narrative. And we can't wait to see the stories you'll tell. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to our Power BI training.